Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching my new video. I know some of you get a little bit annoyed when I say video, but it's kind of like a long story why I have that intro. If you want to know, let me know because I will explain it one day, maybe in my next video. But anyways, I created this. Can we take a moment because I'm back, and I created this glam look because I wanted to do false lashes. I wanted to do like a bronze goddess skin. I wanted to do makeup and full glam, J-Lo, bronzed, smoky eye, nude lip. I missed it so much and I hope you guys like it. If you want to know how I created this look, then keep on watching. So guess who's back home? It's moi filming in my studio, which I missed so much. I didn't even think that I was going to miss doing makeup so much, but oh my god, I want to do a full glam, but like full on glam, smoky eye, nude lip, but like, you know, I would say like my signature look, and I just want to go in. I'm done with the natural looks. Let's do makeup. So as I said, we're going to do a full glam. I'm so excited, and I do have some kind of idea in my head. It's just going to be my signature look. It's going to be maybe like a half smoky eye, nude lip. I'm going to try to use some new products. I've received a bunch of new products, but I still have to like organize them, and it's just a mess. Welcome home. I'm going to start off by using this rose gold skin mist from Farsali. You guys know how much I love this one. Oh, it feels super hydrating. Don't talk after you sprayed it on your face. I'm going to do the base first because I actually really miss doing the base. And I'm going to try to follow a little bit of a Scott Barnes, do I pronounce it correctly? Scott Barnes tutorial, which he did on Tati, which was the first video. And, you know, it looked really good. And he is J-Lo's makeup artist, so I'm just going to believe everything he says. I'm not going to follow it from A to Z, but more like tips and tricks that I didn't forget about. So I know that he started off with a concealer. This is a Power Fabric concealer from Armani in 5.5. You'll also see me using a few new things because some of the things are still in my makeup bag and I'm too busy actually to unpack it and organize it, but I'm going to do everything tomorrow. So Jouer high covering concealer just to make it a little bit more lighter. And he went in like this. So chin, Cupid's bow. Next, I've received this Huda Beauty Tantour contour and bronzer cream. This is in shade medium. Felt like medium was quite dark, but fair was a little too light. Oh, that looks pretty dark, but I'm just going to see how this blends. And we are going to use foundation after all of this, so I think it's going to tone it down a little bit. But I loved the idea of this product, like cream contour but not in a stick, and it just reminds me of the bronzer, the big bronzer from Chanel, and I thought, yes, loving this idea. But let's see how it works on my face. I'm going to use this Elixir brush in F08, which is like a contour brush. Oh, that is dark. Okay, since we're going in with foundation anyway, I'm just going to trust the process. The jawline is looking snatched. Not sure how I feel about the shade of the contour, but I still have to like blend it. But don't you guys think that it is a little bit too red orange? I thought it was just going to look a little bit more cool. So he also did lips, and that looked really nice, but at the same time I feel like, is it even going to be still like visible after we're going in with foundation? So I don't know, let's see. I don't know how I feel about that. That looks crazy. Anyways, for foundation, I'm going in with Divine Matte from Summer Kusami, one of my favorite foundations, and I cannot wait to use this again. Okay, foundation brush that I'm going to use is this flat brush from BH Cosmetics in 123. 123, not only you and me. So far, it doesn't look bad. Actually, it looks good, but I don't know if it's like super necessary to do like an extreme contouring first. Going back in with my Jouer high covering concealer just to highlight some parts even more. Oh my god, we're going full in today. Full in. I'm going to take this Jouer Soft Focus Hydrate Set Powder, and this is in the shade Dark, I'm not sure if this is going to be a good contour shade, but it looks like it is. So I'm going to use my Spectrum brush in CO3. I'm just going to contour very lightly, but also like set the places where we've put the contour. You know what? Actually, this is a very nice contour shade. It looks more like a very nice shadow. See that? JLo bronze. God, yes. I'm going to do my brows off camera real quick. I'll be right back because we're not finished with the face yet, but I'm going to use this new palette that is for the face and I love it so much. Brows are done. Now I'm going to use this face palette that I was talking about. It's the Too Faced Face and Eye palette. Oh, I didn't even know it was an eye palette as well. Infused with peach and sweet fig milk. You guys know everything that Too Faced makes smells so good, and I'm still waiting for the fragrance that needs to come out, you know, same fragrance. But anyways, this is the palette. We have a, let me just cover the mirror. We have a highlighter. I think these are kind of like blushes slash highlighters, and then actually I don't know, these are all blushes slash highlighters. I'm going to mix these two and I'm going to put that on my whole face to get like the JLo glow. I'm not sure if this is going to be like my highlighter, but it's going to be an all over glow, and I'm just going to put this almost like everywhere. Before I'm going to powder anything else, I am going to use an eyeshadow palette that I've never used before, but this is from Private Society, and this is Girl Boss. Love the packaging. I'm going to concentrate on these colors because I'm going to do a smoky eye. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. Let's just go in with CEO, which is this color right here. It's kind of like a light brown color. I'm just going to put that. Oh, wow. Oh, that is pigmented. I'm going to put that into the crease. You guys can feel my batteries are recharged. Like, actually, when I'm looking back at some videos of mine that I uploaded a while ago, I'm like, oh my God, I was actually so low energy and I was not even aware of it. So, and I thought it was just like my character to be that calm and relaxed, which I am, but it was just no. Now looking back, I'm like, oh my God, I actually was really stressed without even knowing it. So anyways, now I feel like my batteries are so recharged. I'm so ready to do so many things that I wanted to do for a long time but didn't really have the energy for. Now I'm taking this Zoeva Coral Shine brush in 227 and I am going to blend this shade right here. Oh, that is a nice eyeshadow. It's so blendable. Still using the same brush, I'm going in with the shade Moneymaker, which is a slightly darker neutral brown, I would say. So I'm going to put this into the crease to, you know, define it a little bit more. And then just blend it. These eyeshadows, they blend like a dream. Okay, next I'm going to take the darkest color in the palette, which is Friday, this one, and my Precision Smudger brush from Zoeva. I'm going to kind of create an eyeliner, but not really like more like a smoked out eyeliner, so nothing really precise. I'm also bringing the color down to create like a triangle. Now I'm going to blend this into the other eyeshadow. So as you can see, I am smoking it out right now so we don't have any harsh lines. So like that. I'm taking the color CEO again, which is the first color that we've used, and I'm just going to smoke out, you know, the darkest color and bring it a little bit more towards the eye, like that. Ooh, that is nice and smoky. So after that, I am going in with the shade Iconic, which is a very nice, kind of like dirty golden color with a little bit of a bronzed undertone, and I'm going to put that on my whole lid, just with my fingers. I'm also going to mix Insta Famous and Hundo, this one and this one. These are a little bit more glittery, but in a very good way. Okay, I'm going to use the color Socialite, which is the, not really the lightest color, but the lightest shimmery color. I'm going to highlight my inner corners with this. Okay, I'm also using a little bit of the Hundo What does that mean? But it's a gold shimmer color. I think I like that one better. Okay, I'm going to use this face finish brush from Zoeva, and I'm going in with bronzer because I feel like we need a little bit more definition in the face. And this is, did I already mention it? Anastasia Beverly Hills Rich Amber Bronzer. Okay, let's do highlighter. I'm going in with Anastasia Beverly Hills So Hollywood Loose Highlighter. Love this color. It can be a little too much, so you have to be careful, you know, with how much highlighter you're going to put on your face. Oh, so gorgeous. Okay, we're definitely glowing now. Oh, and for blush, I'm going in with Benefit California Blush, which is a very lovely coral shade. And I think it's going to look good with this look. Before I'm going to apply lashes, I'm going to do the lips. I'm super excited for this lipstick. I've received this, I don't know when I received this, but I unboxed it yesterday. So this is the Huda Beauty lipstick. And when it comes to nude lipsticks, she has a lot, but they have all like a pink or a corally undertone. I haven't really found a very nice neutral lipstick in her collection, I think, until now, because this looks so good. This is the shade Staycation. Oh my god, look at the shade. Oh my god, I saw it and I was like, I didn't even look at the other ones. I was like, meh. Get on my face. Going to use my lip liner from MAC. This is in the shade Cork. Oh, this is very nude. Okay, this can be pretty, but I have to mix it with my lip liner or else it's just going to look a little too light. I'm going to put a tiny bit of gloss, like a touch of this gloss. This is One and Only from Dose of Colors. A touch. Okay, maybe a little bit more. Like that. Because I want my lips to look healthy and hydrated, but not like very glossy. Okay, I'm going to put on some mascara, some lashes, and then I'll be right back to show you the end result. And I'm even excited to do some posing and, you know, like taking selfies and, you know, just look at myself in the mirror. Haven't done makeup in such a long time. So I applied the lashes. These are Samantha lashes from Huda Beauty. These are actually super gorgeous, natural, but still glam. And yeah, put in some hoops. The bigger the hoop, the bigger the goal. Put my hair in kind of like a messy ponytail, and I wanted to use something else, which I left on the floor. Give me a sec. I wanted to use this Huda Beauty waterproof setting spray in ultra matte finish, and this is Resting Boss Face. I love the name. And this is actually really matte. It says extra hold and it's really matte. And I know you're all wondering, aren't you going to powder your face? Well, since this foundation is quite matte already, I don't feel like I have to powder my face. It looks so airbrushed and face tuned in real life that I feel like I'm going to get rid of that effect when I'm going to put powder on my face. Maybe I could use a little bit of powder in the center of my face, but it's not really necessary right now. So I'm just going to leave it like this and going in with the spray. This is already a little bit matte, so this is going to do the job of a powder, but more like in a natural way. So I think, because, you know, that would make sense. Ooh. Oh, I love Huda Beauty products, but sometimes the smell is like, oh, a little bit strong. And that is pretty much it for this look. Ah, it feels so good. I'm going to take selfies in a second. I'm going to do some posing. It feels so good. Feels so good. I love the natural looks. I love the natural glams. This is not even like, for some people, this is like natural glam. But for me, this is glam. This is good glam. Like, it's natural. As Scoparan says, it's natural. Oh my god, it is natural. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, for keeping up with me while I was creating some, you know, content that wasn't really good because of the lighting and stuff like that. But I'm back, better than ever, recharged as never. Oh my god, I should be a rapper too. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!